TubeBuddy is a browser extension that plugs directly into your YouTube page to help you better understand the viewers on YouTube, what they're looking for, and how you can get your videos put in front of more of them. To learn how to use TubeBuddy tools and help grow your channel, subscribe to the TubeBuddy tutorial channel. Here, we're putting together an entire series of videos to help you better understand TubeBuddy's tools and features, as well as how you need to use them in order to improve your video performance. To install TubeBuddy for free, head over to tubebuddy.com/install. We'll leave all the links in the description of this video for you. Once your browser is on its extension store page, click on Install or add it to your browser. Once you install the extension to your browser, head over to YouTube and you'll see the TubeBuddy drop-down menu. Click the TubeBuddy drop-down menu here, and you can sign in through the email that's tied to your YouTube account. Then select the channel that matches the channel you're signed into on YouTube. The TubeBuddy browser extension can help you find keywords, topics to make videos about. Save time on YouTube with things like adding cards or end screens to all of your videos, or even let you know which thumbnails or titles work best for your videos with A/B testing and our title generator. And you can also use TubeBuddy on either your Android or iOS device. To do so, simply head over to tubebuddy.com/mobile to learn how to install TubeBuddy on your mobile phone. This will direct you to either the Google Play or App Store. Then all you have to do is install the mobile app to your phone and log in. TubeBuddy is free to use, and its free version gives you access to over 40 free tools. Feel free to subscribe for more helpful TubeBuddy tips and tricks for all of our tools, and good luck.